Hi, it's Daniel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cool phat glider. It's designed by John Collins, and if you want more of his works, you can get this book, which I'll leave a link in the description. Amazing paper airplanes. They all fly amazing. Let's get to folding, shall we? So to make this glider, I used an A4 sheet of printer paper, but you could also use color printer paper or anything that's a rectangle. So we're going to start by making the diagonals. So by folding this top edge to this side edge, we can get one of them. Unfold, and then we're going to fold this point and this edge. So the edge will go to here, and the point will go to here. Unfold, and now we're going to make a crease that goes through this X. So we can look at that by checking that both of these come to a point right in the center. Okay. Now what we're going to do is turn the paper over and then fold along this crease and this crease. So we're going to fold this over and then fold this along that crease. And then we're gonna take this point and fold it down right there. Okay. Paper does get a little bit thick, so just crease sharply, or you can take a bone folder, which is a tool that can help you get really sharp creases, and go along that a few times with it. And now what we're going to do is turn the paper over and then fold this in half. So now it should look something like this. And now what we're going to do is fold the wings down. So fold right about there. And then turn it over, and then just kind of go along the silhouette of the other so it's equal. And then we're going to make the little winglets, so fold these up just a little bit. And then repeat on the other side. And then what we're going to do is fold this up right here. So it's right as this goes. I'm going to crease that all the way. So it goes along where the flat that you'd throw it from. Turn it over and do the same. So then fold that up along the center crease. And then unfold these and then fold these winglets up. And you are now completed with the glider. I hope you like the glider design. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure to check out my Instagram, Sechel Origami, to see what I'm folding. And make sure to comment if you have any questions about what paper I'm using, questions about the folding, or a project you want to see next. Happy folding. Fire! Perfect accuracy.